If you're looking for an amazing family home in the Orangeville area that has mature trees and beautiful brick homes everywhere, then you need to keep watching this video. Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from Royal LePage Realty, and I am thrilled to introduce you to 206 Credit Creek Boulevard in Orangeville. Credit Creek Boulevard is a very quiet street of mature homes in a really nice area with large lots and beautiful trees, giving lots of privacy and shade. This particular home is very nicely updated, turnkey, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, finished basement, and so much more. Let's take a peek inside. Inside the home, the first thing you're struck with is a beautiful curved staircase that leads to the upstairs of the home. Right to the left as you come in, there's a beautiful open area, dining room, living room area. Large 3-panel window overlooking the gorgeous front yard, and another 2-panel window that overlooks the backyard off the dining room area. Beside this room is the kitchen that has brand new flooring and a lovely sliding glass door that leads out to a deck and the backyard. The backyard is actually spacious enough that you can still have some room to play if you've got young children. On the other side of the kitchen is a lovely family room area. Again, a very large double window that overlooks the back of the property, and a lovely wood-burning fireplace and brand new carpets in that room as well. This floor also has the laundry room, which is super convenient to have main floor rather than having to go in the basement. And in the laundry room area, there's a door that leads to the side of the property as an exit. And right beside that door, outside the home, is the exterior door for the garage. There's a man door there as well. So super convenient. The home doesn't have a door that leads directly into the house, but certainly very convenient that it's very close by if you wanted to pop in through that side door in the laundry room, mudroom area. Let's take a peek upstairs. Here we are in the master bedroom. It's actually very large and very modern. We've got gorgeous gray carpets, a very large 3-panel window that overlooks the front of the home and the amazing tree that's out the front in the front yard. And it's got an amazing 4-piece ensuite as well. This floor also has a 2nd bedroom on the front of the home with, again, a good sized window that overlooks the front yard. And a 3rd bedroom upstairs that overlooks the back of the property, again with a very good sized room and a large closet. This floor is finished with another 4-piece bathroom that serves the other 2 bedrooms. And again, it's very nice. Let's take a peek downstairs. As you can see, the basement is finished. It's got beautiful pine wood walls, a lovely electric fireplace, and a couple smaller windows in this room, but they do let in a fair bit of light. The ceiling is quite high, and one of the nicest features is this wet bar behind me, which again is perfect for entertaining. They've done the basement in a fairly large area room, which is really great, especially if you've got a larger family or if you're going to have kids over here entertaining them rather than them being out somewhere else. Yeah, they can play and watch movies and do video games down here in the safety of your own home. Behind this room, there is another bonus room we're considering an office. Again, it would be good as a guest room or office or so many different types of usage, including storage. And then the other half of the basement is also unfinished area, which would be perfect for storage as well. Let's take a peek at the backyard. If what you saw in the house wasn't enough, the backyard definitely adds to the value of this home. The property size is 64.5 feet wide by 105 feet deep. It's fully fenced in the back with a nice gate. We've got a good sized strip of land behind the home, including this very large deck area, 2-tiered, and a nice strip that goes along the side of the home as well, which is a real bonus. There's a great little shed and so much more. I just love fully brick homes that have the features that this home has. So if this home is of interest to you, please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.